we go. Good morning,
Good
everyone.
morning, everyone.
I'm Solid
I am
MP.
student nurse
Solid
Lucas
for
Carly
today.
Gonzalez.
For today,
Today
I
I
will be
will be performing
demonstrating
the testicular self-examination.
self-examination. So first,
So what I have here is a
cup,
dummy of the male reproductive organ. So first things first is you have to use your index finger and middle finger at the bottom and thumb at the top. So first is to gently
but it is normal. So
squeeze
right
the
after
testicle.
this, we're gonna
Make
check
sure that you will not
this is
squeezing it hard.
by using your thumb.
So along the
Gently
procedure, you will be checking for lumps, for bumps, and
After is
for
don't squeeze too
painful
hard
areas.
because
So next is to feel the
sensitive kayo ang
epididymis.
itlog. After is we're gonna check the
So
epididymis.
to note, the testicle should be round and smooth.
Upon
On
checking
the other hand, the epididymis
epididymis
is
not
not as smooth as
compared sa
the
testis.
testicle.
So after
Last but not
is
the
we're
least
gonna
is to palpate or feel the
sa
spermatic
pikas
cord.
na testis also.
So to palpate and feel the spermatic cord, so from the top
Okay.
down to the
So right after is we're gonna demonstrate
so
the
the
spermatic
spermatic
cord.
cord is
So spermatic
firm and
cord.
soft. So that's it, and thank you.
Okay. So that's it. Okay.